In this video, I'm going to be talking about how attitudes are formed, how they're initially formed, and we're going to use the example of your attitude towards smoking, whether you like it, whether you don't like it. And there's 4 ways it can happen: with direct contact, direct instruction, interaction with others, and vicarious conditioning. So first, direct contact. If you develop an attitude through direct contact, it means you have direct contact with the thing for which you develop an attitude. So you have direct contact and develop an attitude. So in this case, what that would mean is you smoke a cigarette and you're like, oh, I think that's disgusting, I hate cigarettes. There's your attitude. Or, oh, this was awesome, I loved it, and now you love cigarettes. So you directly contact have contact with the thing that you're going to have the attitude about. Direct instruction is when you are told what your attitude should be. So if your parents say smoking is gross, you should hate smoking, you should never want to smoke, and that's the attitude you have, that is from direct instruction. Interaction with others is when you're around people with that attitude and you pick it up. So your friend smoked in high school, so you started smoking. That's going to be a positive attitude formed with interaction with others. Or if you're around people who they all think it's just totally gross to smoke, so you decide you think it's totally gross to smoke, that's going to be interaction with others. And vicarious conditioning is exactly like when we talked about vicarious conditioning in chapter 5 with learning. This is when the attitude is learned through observing other people's actions or reactions to the thing. So if you see someone look at a cigarette and go, oh, that's so gross, that would be vicarious conditioning. Or this is why there's limits to advertising for smoking, because if you see someone really cool smoking in a movie or in an ad in a magazine, you might think, oh, look, they really like it, I should like it too. So that's not interaction with others, because you're not actually interacting with the movie star or the person in the ad, you're just observing what that person is doing. So interaction with others means you actually have to be in the presence of the person. Things like movies, television, advertising, that's going to be vicarious conditioning. So those are 4 ways that you can develop an attitude.